hiniram niya kay Ivy yung pink helmet. Ayaw niya. Bawal na hindi mag-ride ng, mag-ride ng scooter na walang helmet. Bike! Put your helmet!
Not mine.
I know, put your helmet or leave.
Put your helmet.
Put Ivy's helmet on, mate.
Come on! Si Sak hindi sumama, nagpaiwan siya doon. Kasama niya si Max, tsaka si Ben.
coming, you reckon?
So punta tayo, hanap tayo ng helmet ng mga bata and mag-grocery din tayo.
Oh, just so.
Let's see. Holy, ayaw yung mag-jacket.
So I want to go to the beach.
Yeah, we've got bloody
Yeah, we have a lot. Yeah, Kuya, don't worry.
Beach, mate.
Gusto na ni Kuya mag-beach.
To the beach.
Ang dami mga accommodation dito. Yung iba no vacancy. So punta muna tayo sa Big W. Dito na tayo, guys. And dito tayo, Park Beach Plaza. Nauna na si Johnny Boy, tsaka si Kuya. Sa Big W tayo. Wow, may pabalon. What's that, Baba? Yan daw ang gusto niya.
Bit small. Bit small.
It's a bit small, Baba. Yeah, that's that one, but the normal one. Uh-oh, nasabit. Yeah, that one, Baba. Oh, look. Hoy, this is for skate, Baba. We'll try.
Too small.
Too small, see? So that one, yeah.
It's big.
Nah, that's right.
FaceTime si Zach. Kasi hindi siya sumama.
Oh, that's a tiny hole.
Yeah, he's good, mate.
Like that?
That's one of those tiny holes.
Ayun sila, oh.
That's a tiny.
Change yung mind ni Zach. Blue na lang daw. Yan, oh. Yung sinusukat ni Kuya. Si Holly na lang. Iba rin kasi yung helmet sa bike tsaka sa scooter. So wala pa silang helmet para sa kanilang scooter. Oh, careful, Daddy.
Can I get a basketball?
Yeah, that's it. Good luck.
Can I get a basketball?
That's right.
Is that right, Baba?
That's the
Can you
big
tie?
one.
Can you tie it up, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Too big for you.
That's too big.
Gusto niya kasi katulad kay Abby, malaki pa sa kanya. Kuha sila ng footy ball. Hindi niya kasi pinadala yung footy nila. So ngayon, ayan tuloy, bili ulit. Alright. Ayan na, guys. Thank you. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya, ayun. Ilagay lang nila sa car yung helmet, tapos balik sila dito kasi punta tayo ng Woolies. After we're going to Woolies, babe. Get your hat in hand. That one. No, you got lots of hat, Kuya. $2.99, Baba. Hanap siya ng trackies. 2 for $99. No extra large. No extra large. Si Kuya gusto niya naman ng hat. Ang dami niya ng hat. Anything? Andun sila, guys. Dito tayo. Guys, nagsukat ako ng shorts. Ayan. Size 28. Meron ako napili. Ito, isang short. Okay.
That's in my t-shirt.
What? Oh, here, right? May ano pala dito. Di ba tayo tapos, guys? Malaki itong shop. Nice shop. Yeah. Oh. You got one? Go get one. Yeah. Hurley. Oh, where's your money? Ah, okay, I pay for that one. I pay. Because I owe you $79.
No, you still gotta give me 70. No, it's not 79.
How much?
70.
7. Merong sinasabi si Kuya na full memory tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan kayo nag-end up ni Kuya ng conversation. Si Jan. Ayan, that's nice, huh? Forsaki boy. Pants daw for soccer and jacket. Para siya ng jacket. Terno daw yan ng kanyang trackies. Size 14? Okay. How did you go, babe? Good? Yeah. Same as the trackies. Yeah. Huh? That one? Not that one. Mayroon siya nakuha para kay Holly. I think that's too small, babe. Okay. Look at this one. Nice. Size 7? 6 to 7? Let me see, Papa. Okay, go to that. Pili pa ako ng ano. Pili tayo ng swimwear. Meron ako nakita. Ayan. Thank you. Mag-try on tayo dito, guys. Yung mirror nila, guys, hugis, surf. Ayan. So, try natin ito. Walang nagkasya, guys. Malalaki. Size 12 pala to. Wala akong makitang size 10. Ano? Paano na to? Si Jan naman. Hando na naman si Jan. Wow! That's nice. Turn around, Han. Yeah, that's nice. Ayan, so tinan ni Kuya yung kanyang hat. Okay, we're done here.
Well done. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Woolies.
Cobb.
Okay, Cobb.
Come on.
Kuha tayo ng chocolate mo tsaka strawberry mo. Come on. Chocolate mo? You got it? Yeah, but this one.
Well, we didn't see that.
You didn't see this?
That's a good one.
Yeah.
We're going now, Bubba.
Sige, bye na tayo, guys. Okay, let's go.
Drink, please.
Okay. Uwi na tayo, guys.
I can't put my seatbelt on.
Why? Tingnan mo si Kuya. Ayaw like that, Kuya?
They won't see. I got stuff over me.
I want to see.
Can you get that?
Where are you gonna put the ice? Hala!
Nasty.
Oh my God. Ayan.
My leg.
Dito na tayo, guys.
It's
And nakuha natin yung ice na free. Why it's free?
Oh, it's look after you.
Parang ano siya, complimentary, right, Ben?
Winter up, I would.
Hi, Zach! Dito na tayo sa caravan, guys. Pero punta ko muna si Brody. Ask ko siya kung anong kailangan niya. Kasi magluto tayong dinner. Siya pala magluto ngayon ng dinner natin. What's that?
Iced coffee is very important.
I thought you're gonna put this...
Put a heap in here.
Oy, ito rin yung pinamili natin. Galing na ako dun sa kapitbahay. Gawa lang ako ng biko. Gawa si Brody dun na cheese platter. So, dalhin ko tong cheese natin. Tapos itong cup bread. Okay. Ayan si Jan, nilalagay niya na yung free ice. Ang laman ay coffee. Yung ibang coffee nasa fridge. Ayan, meron tayong cheese platter.
should have it in our picnic table.
Naubos, guys, and nagpakuha ako kay Holly, ay kay TJ na 2 pang salami kasi yung sinerve ni Brody naubos agad yun. Ayan. 2 salami, ang daming nakain ng mga bata. And yung cheese na Havarti na ubos. Ito masarap to, sweet potato with cashew nuts. Masarap siya. So yan, andun na sila, oh. Doon na sila, nagkikik na silang puti doon. Yung binili ni Jan sa Big W na. Cheap lang yun na ano. Yung binili ni Jan na puti, ayun. Oh, good job, Zach. Magpalit na tayo ng trackies, guys. Kasi sobrang lamig na sa labas. And tinulungan ko si Brody doon gumawa ng salad. And yan, nag-chop-chop. Kasi siya yung gumawa ng dinner natin. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko, mag-change ako ng clothes. Tapos, gawa ko ng biko. Yun ang gagawin ko, biko. Ayan na yung ating sticky rice. And si Jan.
That's not gas, that's electric.
That's, I know. I don't need electric. I need
that one.
Why?
Which is that one. Yeah, that should work. How much?
I don't know how much. I just use the gas, honey.
You want to use gas?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Oh,
I used that one before, I think.
bigger.
Alright then. Okay, mainit na siya. First time natin gagamitin yung aking Moduri. Minamadali na ako ni Johnny Boy. Mamaya-maya pa wala pa itong aking bake ko. Nandun na sila sa doon kami sa kitchen. Kakain. Bumalik si Jan para kumuha ng plato, kutsara, tinidor. Okay, wait lang guys. Ito, dadalhin niya na doon.
Not long since we're cooking the steaks.
Yeah, I know, hon, but look, see that? 17 minutes. Maybe I can leave it here, but that one I cannot leave that
No, that
tapping.
won't start,
Or just ring me, so I will stop cooking here. Kailangan daw ng tomato sauce. Ayan, kailangan niya raw ng tomato sauce. Magre-refill siya nito. Okay. Ay, tingnan nyo nangyari sa caravan, guys, nung pagluto ko ng latik. Huli ko nang nailagay yung exhaust fan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Pati doon yung salamin, oh. Kaya ito binuksan kanina ni Jan. Kasi nga, nakita niyang ganyan na, oh. So, ayan, nakabukas yung ating bintana dyan. Luto na yung aking latik. Ayan na siya. Yung kanin na lang. Tumawag na si Jan. Bilisan ko na raw. Ayan, 1 minute pa. Wait na akong dumating, guys. Ayan, kumakain na sila. Wow, thank you. Ayan, kumakain na sila. So, kain na kami, guys. Thank you, Brody, for our food. Ayan, chops. Tapos yan, salad. Si Sak tsaka si Max nandun sila, oh. Guys, tapos na kami kumain. And nakapaghugas na rin kami. Ayan yung natira. Ubos yung yung chops. And yung baked potato, may kunti na lang natira. Ayan. Nakahugas na kami. Next, dessert. Dessert. I've been waiting for that. Tinawagan niya yung mga boys. Pero yung mga boys mas gusto nila maglaro. Pero si Holly favorite niya rin to. So, dessert time. Si Brody bumalik lang sa caravan, may kausap kasi siya. Okay. No, I'll do it. Ivy first. Open this hand, please.
Okay.
This is Ivy's request.
Could I go first, please?
No, this is Ivy. Sorry, my love.
I'm first then.
This is Ivy. Here you go, Ivy. Put cream.
My turn now.
Your turn.
Dad, then.
Ayan.
Mom, why'd you give me a little piece?
Because,
because I don't.
yeah, maybe you won't finish it.
Is that real rice or fake rice?
Fake rice, Baba. What do you think? Do you think you can eat fake rice?
I like cream.
You like cream? Oh my God. Oops. Sayang. Ay!
Oh,
Are you sure? Dito na sila?
Like it because
He loves it.
some pieces missing.
What? Some piece missing.
Mine first.
Alright, andito na yung mga boys.
They do.
Okay. Okay.
There's
Ma?
spoons.
Yeah?
I've put way too much cream.
You can put that.
Okay. Just wait.
Put cream? I will put cream, Ma.
No, I don't.
You don't like cream?
I do. I just haven't.
Okay. Alright. Here, fork. You finished already, eh? You want more?
Maybe.
Nahiya pa siya. We got more here. We got mugs. No spoon, huh? Huh, you can drink it. Zach, slow down, Zach. Look. You finished already. You finished? More? Hala, more. Oh.
What the hell is it? Is that caramel?
Yeah. Save some for mom, for your mom.
This will do it, and
Okay.
thank you.
Ayan na lang kay ano na to, kay Brady na to. Oh my God. Ito na kami, guys. And hugasan ko na. Yan na lang yung natira sa atin. Nagugas na ako doon.
Mom, do you love Nintendo Switch?
No.
You should do
Maglalaro.
like Mario.
Yeah, I like Mario.
I have Mario.
Dito sila maglalaro sila ng Nintendo ni Maxi.
Mario costs too much money.
Kasi doon sa kanila manunod ng footy.
No, Mario.
So hugasan ko yung mga natira ko ditong hugasan. Nakahugas na ako, guys. And tingnan yung mga bata.
The Nintendo. I'm playing NBA 2K21.
Yan daw ang nilalaro nila. Punta na ako dun sa kabila.
Ankles.
Okay, no fighting, okay?
We won't.
Okay, keep,
We will.
what you call that? Take turns, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
So whoever wins, Matt, because I can run this.
Okay. Don't forget Holy Max, okay?
Oh, I'm lost.
Ha?
We were playing Mario Kart.
Dito pa sila. Nandun pa si dyan sa kabilang caravan. Nanonood sila ng food. Ako sabi ko, magugas na ako ng mukha. Pero yung mga bata, ayan, naglalaro pa rin sila ng Nintendo. What time is it now?
It's not.
9:21 na, guys.
What do I look like?
Guys, close ko na yung vlog. Ayun, nakaligo na tayo. Naligo ulit ako. Pero hindi ko binasa yung aking.
Every time we leave, do you fix our
Buhok.
beds?
Yes.
I fixed mine.
I always fix. Sabi niya, thanks ma'am for cleaning up. Kasi kanina, yung mayroon sila mga kinain. Pero tinanggal naman nila yung iba. Pero hindi maayos. So let's close the vlog. Eto, maliligo. Okay, good night now.
Please like.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Kuya, come here.
Thank you guys for watching my vlog. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
Bye.
See you on the next
Video.
vlog. Like
Good
tomorrow.
night. Good night, guys. Bye.
Quit that. Quit that. Dad, what do you do with this?
Well, that's you got to do your sums.
Yeah, and they have the colours down. Holly, you know Holly, you know I would finish that book in like one day.
Yeah, well, you wouldn't have when you were Holly's age.
Dad. Well, Dad, you need a no singing.
I know, maybe.
Oh, and you're gonna put the aerial up. I'll check a movie. I'll choose a movie.
So here's the colours. So 3 plus 3 is 6.
Dad, the only
So you
movie.
find 6, and that's red. You got to colour all the. Just get one at a time.
Because I think I do want you next to me.